My name is Jared Morgan with Bradshaw & Will. We'll be discussing how to estimate the cost of general liability insurance. Now this is a tough one. First off, under general liability insurance, depending on what type of business you are, it will determine what exposure is used to develop your rates for general liability insurance. If you're a church, it's going to be square footage. If you're a retail shop, it'll probably be square footage, but it could also be sales. If you're another type of business, it could be based on admissions. It could be based on payroll. It could be based on net income or gross income. There's a number of different ways we could establish how you're getting charged for your general liability insurance. So here's the deal. I would encourage you to talk to an independent insurance agent. Depending on the type of business you are and which insurance company is looking at your account, it may be that different insurance companies use different things to charge you for liability insurance. Ask your agent, how am I getting charged, or how do they determine the rates for my liability insurance? He should be able to provide you a pretty satisfactory answer, and when he does, you can then look and see what your rate is and whether or not it's cheaper with another company. Now, there's a lot of inside baseball stuff going on when you talk about how your rate's determined. And what I would tell you is you're probably, instead of worrying about how your rate's determined and what goes into that, I would probably just tell you to get more than one independent insurance agent to look at your account and let the competition in the marketplace get you the best deal you can on your insurance. Because going into the detail of trying to find out how it's rated may be a waste of time when you find out another company that rates it differently will be willing to charge you less than your current company does. So competition is probably your better route as opposed to figuring out all the details on how your policy is rated. Hopefully that's been helpful. My name is Jared Morgan and we're discussing how general liability insurance is rated. Thanks.